upper and lowercase cursive F. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, it's a little loop, and here's that squiggle. Pick up your pencil to the center of the squiggle. Big line down, bump, tail, and make sure you cross it over. Little loop, squiggle to the center, big line down, bump, tail, and cross it over. Let's do a couple more. Lowercase f, halfway between the dotted line and the baseline. Big loop up, big line down below the baseline. Loop, tail. Big loop up, big line down. Loop, tail. Letters like this lowercase f that reminds me how we are artists. Some people may say that cursive writing isn't popular anymore, but I don't agree. Cursive F.